Students are easily obsessed with grades. What did I get is a far more familiar question than what have I learned. But what if shifting a few things in the classroom could help kids focus on the skills they are building instead of a letter or number? Oftentimes, teachers inadvertently emphasize scores. Saying things like "this counts toward your grade" suggests that certain tasks matter more than others, even though all of them contribute to the learning process. Instead, root your language in the concepts and skills that are being developed and make it encouraging. For example, you're doing great with making claims, but could use a little more practice in citing evidence. Prompt students to take stock of what they have mastered and, more specifically, what they need to keep working on. Many teachers have experienced the frustration of handing back an assignment only to have students glance at the grade and move on without reading the comments. By holding off on attaching a grade to an assignment right away, you can help students pay better attention to feedback. Try grading tests with the usual marks and brief notes, but don't deduct any points or put a grade on the test itself. Ask students to reflect and make corrections after the tests are handed back. Assigning a grade can happen eventually, but delaying it puts the focus on continued growth more effectively. Students need a chance to practice and explore new concepts without fear of a bad grade. Design low-stakes assignments that are centered around the concept at hand. Don't factor in things like accuracy, spelling, or grammar. Students will get the message that learning is not about perfection, but rather gaining understanding. They may be more willing to take academic risks and play with ideas when they don't have to worry about losing points. Offering students the opportunity to retake tests can be a hot-button topic. Some educators worry about lack of consequence or personal responsibility. But when students have failed to grasp certain concepts or skills, another chance can help them take an important step toward actual learning. Finding an approach that feels fair to you and your students and aligns with your school culture is crucial. Consider offering partial credit or changing up how students demonstrate their knowledge. Whatever you decide, be sure to emphasize that retakes are for the sake of learning, as opposed to raising grades. It can be an uphill battle to undo years of student and parent conditioning, but helping kids feel good about their ability to learn instead of their ability to score high fosters a growth mindset that will serve them throughout their lives.